South Asian engineers design new car models using advanced computer technology. Large steel sheets arrive at the factory to begin the car-making process. Robotic machines cut the steel with incredible precision. Powerful robots weld the car body parts together. Each car body is carefully inspected for quality and safety. The car body is thoroughly cleaned before painting begins. Robotic paint machines give the cars a smooth and shiny finish. The painted cars move through a heated tunnel to dry perfectly. Workers and machines assemble powerful engines with great accuracy. The engine is carefully installed into the car body. Automatic machines attach the tires quickly and efficiently. The interior, dashboard, and seats are added inside the car. Robots carefully install the windows and windshield.
Electricians complete the car's advanced wiring system.
Computers test all the electronic systems inside the car. The cars go through a water leak test for safety. Professional drivers test every car on the factory track. A final inspection ensures every car is perfect. Finally, the finished cars leave the factory and head to showrooms around the world.